How to unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. So to get started, go ahead and open Messenger into your mobile device, and then from here, go ahead and open the conversation with that specific someone you've restricted, and then click on this unrestrict button, which you'll find in this page, and this will allow you to easily unrestrict this user. Now to restrict them again, click on this info icon at the top right, and then select restrict conversation from here, and this will allow you to restrict this user on Messenger. So restricting hides someone's messages and activity, and restricting stores normal communication. So once you have unrestricted a user, their messages return to your inbox and they can see your active status again. If you're not ready for full interaction, you can mute or block instead of unrestricting. And that is how you can basically unrestrict someone on Messenger.